So this is my camera. Yes, you can see that. Welcome back to my channel. This is again Eman Style. For today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing finally of my first ever camera of all my life, and that is the Insta360 Ace Pro. So una muna natin bubuksan yung mga accessories na binili ko. Sa Insta360 kasi, sa store nila mismo, medyo pricey. So what I got is a different brand of tripods. I got this from the Orange app. It's called Brig. I just felt that it has better grip kasi dito rubber siya, tapos hindi siya katulad ng tripod ko ngayon na medyo magaan nga. Tapos maganda rin. Looks so premium din. My SD card. It's 256 gigabytes from Kingston. Finally, my Insta360 Ace Pro, co-engineered with Leica, Capture Action Smarter. Mga bata, wag gumamit ng kutsilyo. Actually, just to tell you a story, bago ko pinili yung Insta360 Ace Pro, pinagpipilian ko yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or ito. Well, obviously, mas mahal si Osmo Pocket 3 compared dito. Napili ko rin yung Ace Pro because of the comparison sa TikTok, sa YouTube, and there are a lot of parang good things about this. Also, super ganda din naman talaga ng Pocket 3. Ito kasi, it's waterproof. These are the accessories. Stickers, another sticker, your warranty card, pang-hold sa camera. Dito rin pwede rin nilagay yung camera. Type-C cord for charging. Wala ba itong Type-C? And finally, for our main event. Ito rin pala yung advantage ng Insta360 Ace Pro. Meron siyang AI, so pwede mo siyang i-edit. Tapos, 2.4-inch flip screen. Waterproof to 33 feet. Magnetic mounting system. Ito yung sinasabi ko dito. Gesture control and voice control 2.0. Take a look at this. This is my first ever camera. Wow! Oh my god. Then yung flip camera niya, kasi di ko siya ma-flip, tanggalin ko muna ito. Ooh. So, click mo itong dalawa. Flip the camera. That's it. Perfect. Grabe, super sturdy. Perfect. Perfect. Tapos, I feel, kailangan mo din pala mag-download ng 360 app nila. Grabe. Guys, oh my gosh. I feel like I'm a vlogger right now. Ano ba? Yes! Sabi niya, i-download ko daw muna yung kanyang application. So, ayan, na-download ko na yung app and na-access ko na siya. So, ayan po siya. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng memory card, which is dito siya nilalagay. Okay. Para lang din ako mahirapan, tanggalin ko muna to. Dito siya ilalagay. Nalagay ko yung SD card ko, which is the one that I just got. Paano ba to? Sabi niya, pag ganun. So, okay. Try natin. Ba? Hoy, perfect. Okay, na-detect niya na yung SD card ko. Super lock sa magnet niyo. Share ko lang. Ayan, I can see myself. I-check ko pa to. I'll insert the video na gamit ko na to Siguro itatry ko siya for the next few days. Itatest ko na rin yung audio niya. Sunrise. Sunrise pa ba? Wow. A lot of 4x4s here, guys. So, start na daw tayo ng trek, guys. Medyo nabibingi ako kasi baka dahil nga sa nag-iba na tayo ng parang level ng lugar. May sari-sari store. And yeah, I'm very happy with my purchase. And I hope you like, share, and subscribe para makabili pa ako ng maraming camera. Sobrang okay. Yes, thank you so much. I actually got this dahil feel ko mag-mount pinatubo ako anytime sooner. Sabi ko, bago ako magpinatubo, dapat magpipinatubo na ako eh. Nung day off ko, sabi ko, kakalma ko muna yung sarili ko dahil kailangan ko muna mabili yung Insta360 camera ko bago ako pinatubo at makuhanan ko lahat ng gusto kong puntahan. Yun na po. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video and share. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm not very active, but please bear with me. I have my camera now. I'm very happy to do my vlogs. Namatay na siya. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.